Here's a short hands-on the tablet, the Android tablet, Honeycomb Android tablet from Acer. Acer Iconia Tab A500. A thick and heavy tablet running Android 3.0 Honeycomb. I would rather buy iPad 1 for that kind of money. Who wants a thick and this heavy tablet like this? And the price is not even cheaper than an iPad 1. So I'd rather buy an iPad 1 instead of this. Quite fast though. Apps and such starts fast. So of course it's useful, but not more than that. So I'd rather buy an iPad 1 for that money. Very heavy and thick, quite ugly. The backside of it is in some kind of brushed metal, so it looks okay. So buy the iPad instead.